Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a shipment plan, how to send your inventory to Amazon FBA. Here are some requirements. These are the things you must have before creating a shipment plan. Like you must know the package type, like are you sending the individual products or case pack products? You must know what are the SKUs you are going to send. Why SKU? Because one SN can have multiple SKUs, so you can and make any mistake if you are not familiar with the SKU. So you need to create the shipment at SKU level. You must know the box dimensions and the weight of the box, number of units you are going to send to Amazon. About the barcode, you must know which kind of the barcode needed, because there are two types of the barcode that must be applied on the products. One is Amazon barcode, which is called FNSKU, and the other is manufacturer barcode. It could be UPC or anything like that, and it will be depending on you. It's your choice. You need to ship with Amazon barcodes, or you need to ship with manufacturer barcodes. There are some categories in which Amazon don't allow to send with manufacturer. Then for sure we have to use Amazon barcode. The second type of the barcode is the labels, shipment label. Actually, these will be applied on the boxes or cartons that will be having your inventory, or you can say it will be applied on the pallets, so the logistic companies can read them and send your product to the desired Amazon warehouse that is pre-assigned to your products. Shipping address, you must know the shipping address, ship from address from where you're going to ship the products. And you must know the carrier. Why you know the carrier? Because Amazon need tracking IDs. If you are going to ship with UPS, you must write that your carrier is UPS, because if you choose DHL, Amazon will not be going to identify the UPS tracking IDs. And if you not provide the tracking IDs, Amazon will affect the health rate, and it will increase your defect rate in your account. So you must know which carrier you are going to use, and what are the essential details of your products. Once you know all about your product, you have all this information, then you need to go to Amazon account and you need to choose the products you are going to send. So I have choose these two products. I'm going to send it to Amazon. There is no specific conditions that we must have one shipment plan for each product. Even we can send multiple products in just one shipment plan. As I'm sending in front of you, these are two products and sending them in just one shipment plan. By choosing these products, I am clicking on select group actions, and here send or replenish inventory. After clicking that, it will be taking me to the next page. It is called workflow page. And at the workflow, I need to add shipment, ship from address. And because I am a mature seller, I already have ship from address like this composite prime case. So if you don't have any like pre-shipments, or you are sending from a different address, you need to choose ship from another address, and you will be adding address here, and you can choose the ship from address. You can add different multiple address, or you can even add new, so it depending on you. After making sure that you are having the same ship from address from where you're going to send, you need to add some information about number of units and the individual product. About individual product, good thing is sometimes it will be taking all the information from your account, like the product dimensions and weight, and you just need to choose individual products and number of units you are going to send. So this is very good. Like you don't need to choose any of the things. Amazon will be automatically catching the data from your listings. And we are sending individual units, so I don't need to choose anything here. I'm clicking on the edit just to see all the thing. Okay, no prep needed, manufacturer barcode, and already chosen individual units, so that's okay. And then here again, individual units and the manufacturer barcode. Yes, we are going with manufacturer barcode. Number of units for 6-pack, we are sending 30 units. So for this product, we're sending 30 units, and for this product, we are sending 10 units. Click on ready to pack, and then pack individual units. After clicking here, they will be saying packing information. Everything will fit into one box. Multiple boxes will be needed. So I'm saying multiple boxes will be needed. Confirm. Enter through web form how many boxes. So we have each product in one box, so it will be 40 boxes. There will be a total of 40 boxes. So in this product, like when we just save, if I'm going back here, when we choose individual products, it did not require any information about the unit dimensions and weight. So this is advanced model here. When Amazon didn't ask you any kind of the details here, when you are putting individual units or any kind of the units here, then Amazon will give you another advanced template Here we have to choose the box types, like what kind of the boxes, everything will fit into one box. Multiple boxes will be needed. So for our products, we need multiple boxes. I am choosing it and moving next. Here I am putting like if we are putting here manually on the web form, the maximum limit is 10 units. And if we upload an Excel sheet, then there is no limit. We have to download this Excel sheet first. I'm downloading here, and I just downloaded it. Enable editing, and we have to put information about our products here, because you can see here is one SKU, here is the second SKU, and these are other details of FN SKU, essence, these are the things, and number of boxes, and there is naming for box 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are having 40 boxes. So we will be putting the information for all the boxes manually here in this sheet, and then we will be uploading it back on Amazon. So how to choose this information, like this is box 1, and box weight, what is the weight of this box? So as I told you in the start, you must have all the information about your product. So if I go here, you can see the box, this one, this SKU having 30 kg box weight. For each unit, weight is 30 kg, 13 kg. So if I go here, you can see the box weight is 13 kg. So we have to choose this weight and this dimensions to put it and to save there. So I'm using this information to save, to complete this file. Here, box weight, and I need to put the box weight, and it is 13 kg. 13 kg. Okay, well, it's in kg. So box 2 again have 13. So I have multiple boxes, like 30 boxes for this SKU. So I'm saving randomly on the box 1, 2, 3, 4. Like in the initial 30 boxes, I'm giving the value for the first SKU, and rest of the 10 boxes I will be using for the second SKU. So all have 13 kg weight. And if I go to the dimensions, okay, the second one, the having 17 kg weight, 17 kg. I will be adding this as well for the rest of the boxes. 17 kg. I'm putting it for the rest of the 10 boxes because I have 10 boxes having weight 17 kg and 30 boxes having weight 13 kg. So the next thing is we need to put box width, length, and height in centimeters. So I will be adding this box width in centimeters. For this, like 610 millimeters. We need to convert it into centimeters, and 610 is equal to 61 centimeter. This will be 21 and this will be 16. 61, 21, and 16. 61, 21, and 16. I'm just reconfirming 61, 21, and 16. Yes, we're right. So we need to save this information all the way in the first 30 boxes. So I am adding it for first 30 boxes. Same is the thing we need to do with the other selections here for the width and height. For the height, we have 16. For all these boxes, 30 boxes, we will be putting this information. Now we will be adding the information of 31st box for the second product. And this is like 41, 41, and 15. 41, 41, and 15. Just reconfirming 41, 41, and 15. That's okay. So we need to save this for rest of the boxes. So this is 15. So I have added all the information for the boxes here. And now we will be using this information, and I will be uploading this sheet to Amazon. So Amazon can have all the information about the boxes, and then we can print the labels. So all the things are okay. If you are filling it first time, you can read the instructions Here you can see step 1, review total box count. The total box count field in the Excel file is automatically populated with the number you entered. So we entered there 40. So these are like 40. Step 2, provide box content information. Each SKU in the pack group will appear in a row in the workflow for each box. Enter the number of units of each SKU that will be packed in that box. The box content field shows the current number of units that you have entered. It will remain red until the units that you have entered match the expected unit quantity of this shipment. Provide box weight and dimensions. We have provided this box content, save and upload. That's it. So box quantity, we have to add boxed quantity. So we need to save it and we need to upload it. We're missing one thing here. We need to put the box quantity. So this one like box 1 quantity. So box 1 have only 1 unit, and we are having 30 units for this product. We will be choosing 30 boxes for this and 10 boxes for this. So it was red because we were not saving the quantity. Now you can see this is okay. The color has been changed. Now we will be saving it and we will be uploading it. Here I'm going to save it with the name. Here save as. In the documents, I can give it any name. And that's it. We have just saved it. Now I will be uploading it on here. Upload a feed file. You can see upload a feed file. Here I will be going to the documents, and the one I just made is the shipment plan. I will be searching for it, and the fastest way is you just need to click on the quick access and you can access the file. You just edit. Here I have uploaded the file. It is verifying the data. It will take some time. There are some warnings. Box that weight more than 15 kg must clearly marked heavy package on the top and side. So no need for this, and even we can confirm it. It is like around 17, so it is nearly around like 15. We can mark it, and we can even send it like that, but sending it without any mark, it will be like it can create an issue. So to get rid from this issue, just mark heavy package on the sides of box. That's okay. Confirm and continue. No need to worry about this. This is just a precaution. You have to be aware of it, and you just accept and confirm. Now you will be choosing the shipment date. So I am shipping it at 14th of August. So I'm choosing this. This is like small parcel delivery or less than or a full truckload. So I'm choosing this less than and the full truckload or small parcel delivery. I can choose either this one and this one. This like full truckloads take some extra times, and these are some speedy small parcel delivery. I will be using UPS, Amazon Partner Carrier Services, and I will have only one shipment. This is like 40 boxes, and the weight is 560 kg. It's okay. I will be accepting, and I will be sending it to Amazon. And then we can print the labels, and these are the labels. Here we can choose the size of the labels. Here I have chosen the size and just printing the labels, and I will be view tracking details if needed. And you can see here are the shipment labels, and I will be just printing them. Here I just downloaded them, and I will be sending it to my logistic company or my warehouse. They will be using these labels, and they will be applying these labels on the products, and the UPS, like this carrier company, will go and pick up our products from our warehouse, and that's it. Hope you understand all the things. If you have any confusion or any question regarding the shipments, you can ask me anytime in the inbox or in the chat box in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.